Hi, this is Tana from SOS, wanting to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey, this is Kyle at SOS. Happy holidays and Happy New Year.
Hi everyone, this is Richard. We want to wish you a very happy new year. May all your wishes come true.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, I am Mariana. Hope you have a great Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hey guys, I'm Julio. I just want to say thank you for putting your trust in us and Happy New Year 2023. Bye.
Hey everybody, this is Scott.
I'm Carrie.
To all of our partners and customers, we really appreciate you and wish you a Merry Christmas
And a Happy New Year.
Have a good one.
SOS friends and family, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We're grateful for all of you and look forward to 2023.